Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change account age on Roblox if you're under 13 using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for roblox.com. So once you've done that, just go ahead and log in your account. So now, just go ahead and click on Settings icon at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Help. Okay. So now once you've done that, just go ahead and click on Roblox account. And now click this How do I change my age at the account settings section. So now here, as you can see, age under 13, the age setting cannot be changed. Roblox is committed to providing safety and privacy protection for our users. For this reason and because of COPPA regulations, users under the age of 13 cannot change their age setting. So if the birth date of the account is correct, the privacy settings will update automatically to 13 plus on the user's 13th birthday. Okay? So for example, you've put a wrong date on your birth date, okay? So what you can do is to click here on the search bar at the upper right side of your screen and type contact us. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on the first option and click this support form. Okay, this one. So now you just need to put your username, your first name, email address, and then you need to confirm your email address. And now your device. So just go ahead and choose your device, type of help category. So now you just need to choose the chat and age settings. So here at the bottom box, you just need to choose the change child age. Here in the description of issue, just go ahead and type your issue right here or your problem, your concerns. So just put that you want to change your birth date because you've put the wrong birth date. Okay. So now just go ahead and click on submit after you've typed your issue. Okay? So you just need for the response of the admins of Roblox, and that should help you with your problem. Okay? So that is how you change account age on Roblox if under 13. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.